Hi and welcome all. We are going to continue with the next set of features in BigBlueButton in this video.
So let's start with the upload of presentation. Okay, so here I'll try to make use of a blank PDF. So let me make use of a blank PDF here. Or I can just upload a portfolio PDF of the company. So now while uploading the portfolio PDF, it has the uh, options, different options. So if you see this option, it allows the presentation to be downloaded. Okay, so once it is uploaded, you can remove the presentation also. Okay, so I will just go ahead and click upload. Okay, so now on upload of portfolio, the PDF actually appears as a slide over here, and you don't need to actually do a screen sharing. The learners will or the viewers will see this file as it is. Okay, so if I go to the learners section, so I can see as a learner that whatever slide the presenter is showing up right now, the same slide will appear as a learner here. So you can just slide through this and the same thing will change. So this way you don't need to actually start the screen sharing and do a screen sharing of a file. You can directly upload the files at the same time. It gives the option to the uh, learner. So since I didn't enable the uh, download option, so it's not giving me any download option over here. So let me see if I can show you another option here. So I'll upload another PDF as a presenter, and here in this case I will allow the PDF to be downloaded. Okay, I'll upload this. So this blank PDF actually it is used even for the whiteboard purpose. So whenever you upload a blank PDF, it can be used for your annotations purpose. So say for example, if I want to draw a line here, okay, I can just I can select that. I can draw a line. I can draw some shapes here. Okay, so suppose if I want to draw a right angle triangle, I can just do that. Okay, so then again we have the option to add text also. So I can just mention that okay, this is a right angle triangle. Here I in this, oh sorry, this was, so you also have the option to select the font size. Here you can select the font size, so accordingly the font size will be taken up. So this way the text can be added, and you also have the option to undo the annotations which you have added, and you can change the color of the text. Also there is one uh, great functionality which allows even the learners to annotate, because if I turn this on, this multi-user whiteboard feature on. This allows the learners to also annotate. So as you can see now, as a learner, I can see the annotation tool or annotation bar. So if let's say if I want to add some annotation, say it's 90-degree. So this is how the collaboration can also happen on a whiteboard, so which is a great functionality we feel with respect to universities and school learning.
We'll look at the other features of Big Blue Button in our next video. We'll see you there.